Hello everyone, and then welcome to the introduction to 3D printing. So let's look at fused deposition modeling. So with FDM, this technology makes use of plastic filaments that is heated up and then layered on top of the other, as I said earlier, then the cool layer in order to form a desired object. Okay, so once the first layer is printed on the surface, that's the bed. Another layer is also laid upon, okay, but it's cooled. Okay, it does its own computing, so all these things happen in with some milliseconds, and then with time you should have something as you see here. Okay, so gradually something that is very flat, by the time you see it begins to take form. Okay, so that's fused deposition modeling. Then let's look at, so here are some videos. Okay, so we can watch this video from the makerspace. And then let's see. So you can see this was something for during the COVID, something that was printed, okay, to help with the face shield. Okay, so you can see this was how it was, and then move to this level. Let's see. Then we also have this one. Okay, so this one too was a fowl, so kind of a puppy or a dog. Okay, so the base, and then it rises to something to form the full or complete object. So let's look at this YouTube video from Ultimaker, see how it works. So you can see how it's layered. Okay, over time it will rise to the level for which it needs to form the exact object. So here are some supports, okay, to help you with your objects. Then you should have your final output once it's done. So I'm just going to skip it and then let's see. So as I said, so there's the final object. Okay, the final object, and then yeah. So that should be that's it for the fused deposition modeling. Yeah, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.